Hello, Sudoku friends, welcome back. Boys and girls, we have a binary puzzle. Yes, in today's newspaper in the additional, of Monday, November the 22nd, 2021. And we have two puzzles left. The tectonic one, I think this one is a hard one. And a binary puzzle number 3720. 3720. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 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 Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. A double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here no, there no. Now, yeah. Now I need to think. Think logical. Yes, think logical. And we need to compare, I think. I think we need to compare with this row and that row. Empty box 001100110011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And then, do we need to compare? Yeah, I think. How about this column and that column? Empty box 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Still cannot continue. Need to compare again. This one and that one. Empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Wow, a lot of comparing, but I've solved this. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. A tectonic with 4 stars with only 9 given numbers, so I think this one will be a hard one. See you then. Bye bye for now.